Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Goan Food Code.
Portuguese ruled Goa
And left an outstanding mark not only on music and architect but also on Goan food. To name a few such as pork vindaloo, chicken cafreal, Goan pau, bibinka and many more. So today I'm going to prepare one such dish which was introduced by the Portuguese, and that is chicken cafreal. So let's go to our Goan food court. There are many variations to the recipe, but this recipe is passed on in our family from one generation to the next generation, and we just love this. So let's begin. The first step is to marinate the chicken.
I have taken 1 kg chicken. There are around 5 chicken legs, or you can also take chicken drumsticks. 1 medium onion finely chopped, 1 small tomato finely chopped, salt as per the requirement, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 6 tablespoons oil for frying. Next are the ingredients required to prepare the masala: 1 bay leaf, 10 peppercorns,
1 teaspoon cumin seeds,
10 cloves, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 4-inch ginger, 1 lime, 12 garlic cloves, 4 green chillies, 1 bunch coriander and 6 tablespoons rum. Let's prepare the masala. So I'm going to add roughly chopped coriander along with the stems into the grinder, and also the other ingredients. Add lime juice,
add rum. So let's grind into a fine smooth paste.
As you can see, our masala is ready. Next, I have already washed the chicken.
Give some gashes to the chicken so that the masala remains in the chicken and gets well marinated. Apply 1.5 teaspoon salt and turmeric powder.
Next thing is, apply the masala to the chicken. Cover the chicken, and I'm going to keep this in the refrigerator overnight.
Also, I'm going to store the remaining ground masala water in the refrigerator. This is marinated chicken. First thing is, I'm going to fry this chicken. So take a pan, put on the flame,
add 2 tablespoons of oil.
Once the oil is heated, I'm going to fry the chicken. So I'm going to cover the pan. Keep the flame medium to low. Check this in between and flip it over. Let it cook on the other side also. I'm going to close it. Check in between so that the chicken is well cooked. I'm going to add 2 more pieces of chicken. Let me add more oil. If this chicken is done, I'm going to remove this chicken. Cover the pan. This is the remaining ground masala water which was kept in the fridge. Next thing is, take another pan, put on the flame. Once the pan is heated, add 2 tablespoons of oil.
Once the oil is heated, add finely chopped onion.
Keep it on the medium flame.
Here I'm going to add a pinch of salt to remove the moisture from the onion so that the onion gets cooked faster. Once onions are done, I'm going to add tomatoes. Next, I'm going to add the remaining ground masala water.
Keep the flame medium and we'll wait for 1 boil. Mix it well. So after 1 boil, lower the flame and add the fried chicken. Keep the flame medium and cover the pan. Let it get cooked for 2 minutes. Let all the flavors from the gravy also get mixed with the chicken well. So after 2 minutes, put off the flame and our chicken cafreal is ready. So let me do the plating now. I've cut the potato wedges here, tomato slices and onion slices. I'm going to add some gravy to this. Some coriander on top. Well, if you like what we made at Goan Food Court, then you got to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, be active, stay healthy.